Atoms are incredibly tiny particles. They are the fundamental building blocks of everything around us. Imagine the smallest thing you can possibly think of, and an atom is even smaller than that. Atoms have a central core called the nucleus. Inside the nucleus we find protons and neutrons. Protons have a positive charge, while neutrons carry no charge. Whizzing around the nucleus are even tinier particles called electrons. Electrons have a negative charge and move incredibly fast, like planets orbiting a sun. Let's meet some atoms. Hydrogen, the simplest atom, has one proton and one electron. Think of it as the universe's lightweight champion. Oxygen, another important atom, has 8 protons, 8 neutrons, and 8 electrons. It's like the social butterfly of the atomic world, always ready to combine with others. Atoms are social creatures. They rarely exist alone. Instead, they join forces with other atoms to form larger structures called molecules. This joining happens through chemical bonds. It's like atoms holding hands to create something new and exciting. The type and strength of the bond determine the properties of the molecule. It's like a recipe. Different ingredients create different flavors. Take a deep breath. You just inhaled a molecule called oxygen, written as O2. It's made of 2 oxygen atoms bonded together. We need oxygen to breathe and survive. Now take a sip of water. You just consumed a molecule called H2O. It's formed when 2 hydrogen atoms bond with 1 oxygen atom. Water is essential for all life on Earth. Sometimes atoms of different elements come together to form molecules. When this happens, we call these special molecules compounds. Think of a compound as a delicious cake. It requires different ingredients like flour, sugar, and eggs to create its unique flavor. Compounds have properties that are distinct from the individual elements that make them up. For example, sodium is a metal, and chlorine is a poisonous gas, but together, they form table salt. We've already met water, a compound vital for life. Its unique properties make it possible for us to drink it, swim in it, and even live on a planet covered in it. Another important compound is carbon dioxide. 1 carbon atom bonds with 2 oxygen atoms to form this molecule that we exhale with every breath. Carbon dioxide is also essential for plant life, allowing them to convert sunlight into energy through photosynthesis. Let's recap. Atoms are the most basic building blocks of matter. Think of them as individual Lego bricks. Molecules are formed when 2 or more atoms bond together, like assembling those Lego bricks into different structures. Compounds are a special type of molecule formed when atoms of different elements bond together, like creating a colorful Lego structure using bricks of various colors. The next time you hold a glass of water, remember the incredible dance of atoms and molecules within it. From the air we breathe to the food we eat, everything around us is made up of these tiny building blocks, constantly interacting and changing. What other examples of molecules and compounds can you think of? How do their unique properties affect our daily lives? The universe is full of wonders waiting to be explored.